Let's be honest, most of us don't think about our windows. They're just there. But here's the thing, your windows are one of the hardest working parts of your home. And if they're old, outdated, or just not built for where you live, they could be costing you more than you realize in energy bills, comfort, and peace of mind.
On average, you can save up to 30% by replacing your windows and doors on your heating and cooling costs. That makes it more efficient for your home's HVAC units. That helps improve the maintenance, and you can actually reduce the amount of time you have to spend on maintaining your windows and the security.
For today's homeowners like Ty and Jennifer Gocher, that means hundreds of dollars flying out the window, literally.
We've lived in this house for 14 years. We built it. And over the time, we've spent a lot of money on energy bills. In Texas, it's hot, so a lot of electricity is used for air conditioning.
And then when you get a cold snap every once in a while, it also is very difficult to keep the wind out.
We have 4 children, they're all in high school. And so it's important for us to be able to have windows that are functional in our home without having to shake them and jiggle them because they're loose in the track, or having to slam them all the way because they won't close very well.
We had some family members come down and they said, hey, it looks like your windows might need to be cleaned. And I was like, no, they're just really that bad. So
that was the moment where we said, okay, we can't do this anymore. We can't use our windows, we're not enjoying it, and it's pretty obvious to the rest of the world how bad the windows are. I found some different searches for window companies. Our home value is important to us, and we wanted to have a really good curb appeal. And I think that having new windows is going to be an amazing investment.
So they did their research, checked Google reviews, and decided to give Window Nation a call.
Part of our research process was going online and researching a bunch of companies and looking at reviews.
Yeah, and the reviews for Window Nation was phenomenal, so that really stood out to us.
Window Nation's warranty was better than any of the other warranties that we looked at.
We like to start all of our free estimates with sitting down with the homeowner to really find out what's unique about them, their home, and their needs. We take time to really evaluate what windows are needed, what security issues they have, design questions. We have many different options that they can select from, different styles of windows, colors, designs for their doors that will help them feel secure, comfortable, and be more efficient within their home. They get to take advantage of a lifetime warranty, meaning that they ever have to worry about maintenance or concerns with the windows. I get to provide them with that peace of mind as we install that solution.
For the 26 windows at the Gocher residence, Window Nation is installing their standard universal windows, a smart choice for homeowners who want a real upgrade without breaking the bank.
When picking a vinyl window, make sure that you select one that's unplasticized or virgin vinyl, that has double or triple panes, has a low E technology that's current, modern, and up to date to provide you the most energy efficient window possible.
If you live in areas such as Florida or South Carolina that are prone to high winds, heavy rains, or severe weather, you may need something stronger. That's where hurricane strength impact windows and doors come in. ArmorView and New South windows, powered by Window Nation, are rated for Category 5 hurricane resistance thanks to their unique design. So look for advanced low-E UV blocking glass that'll help with heat reduction within the home. They should also have dual-action reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass. That'll help with noise reduction and added home security.
It looks so much more modern, it looks updated, so I think it's a huge improvement. So I was really pleased with the whole project.
With the installation complete, the Gochers couldn't be happier with the transformation.
Have some natural light.
Let's open those up because you have screens.
And I can open it with my hand. I can't believe it.
We are absolutely thrilled that we chose Window Nation to do our windows and French doors.
Yeah, they look phenomenal. Yeah, the whole process from the beginning to the end was top notch. It was fast, it was smooth, it was great. The final product is outstanding.
And I'm excited that there will be no more pain with our utility bills.